First they said it was anti-Semitic to protest war. They sent students to jail, kicked teachers out of the door. Those we thought were strongest were the first ones to cower. Money trumps integrity within the ivory tower. Then they came for science, research labs and all. The pursuit of truth had a Humpty Dumpty fall. Medicine and climate change, urgent issues of the day. They are being silenced, being swept away. Then they came for woke, said it went too far. Scrolled in clean white, DEI now barred. Without a whisper, without putting up a fight. If you don't use it, you will lose your free speech right. You have your own truth, and you think if you try, with all your beliefs and convictions, you can make your truth mine. But facts don't care about feelings, and words they sometimes lie. Reality just makes no exception. Mother Nature's truth will shine. It will shine. Mother Nature's truth will shine. Thank you. I wrote that last night, so glad you liked it. Thank you.